Okay, so I made a soap with a fragrance called Comfort and Joy, and it smells a lot like apple cider. Excellent. Really, really smells good. So I'm going to see how it turned out because I did 3 colors in this one, and it's really soft, so I have to go really slow. Okay, let's see how it turned out. Oh, nice. So this is actually, the camera isn't showing the best, but it's like a copper penny. And then that's actually, well, it's not bad in the camera. It is a purple, and it looks like it's a purple. And of course, white. So again, that end, I'll just cut it off. And I just save all, I don't waste anything. So whatever soap I don't use for sale, I actually turn it into laundry soap. And I'll explain all that another day. So let me cut one more piece for you. So again, it's called Comfort and Joy, and it smells a lot like apple cider. Perfect for this time of the year. Okay, so I'm going to go slow because the soap is still quite soft. Hang on, I'll go this way. So yeah, there you go. So that's the copper penny. That's the purple. And this is how the top turned out. I'll show you the top. Turned out like that. So it's like a swirl. It's really nice. I'm really impressed with this recipe. I should have went a little bit lower. Like, see, it's mostly white at the bottom, but still, it's very pretty. See? So that side is not the same as that side. And then if I bring the camera over here, that would be the next piece. So it just goes on all the way to the end of the loaf. Oh, it's so much fun. I am totally addicted. It's so much fun. Have a good day.